Does the grading wheel have a lifespan? Grading wheel, the unknown hero in the workshop. But like all tools, do they have a lifespan? Let's explore the factors that may affect the lifespan of grading wheel. Firstly, consider the environment. Exposure to moisture, extreme temperatures, and harsh conditions can affect the integrity of the wheels. Next, consider using. Frequent use may cause fast wear on the wheels, which can affect their effectiveness over time. Proper storage is crucial. Store the grading wheel near a cool, dry place and avoid direct sunlight. Regular inspection is crucial. Check all cracks, not chips, or any signs of wear that may affect performance. You want to say goodbye. There are signs of wear on the wheel. It's wise to replace them for optimal performance and safety. Visit our website or contact us to learn more about our high-quality cutting discs and grading wheels and how to optimize their maintenance.